in the beginner course, we looked at the process of adding your standardized textures or colors to the floor plan. And with that, I mean changing to standardized floor, walls, and ceiling materials. But now I'm going to show you how you can use your own custom materials in the floor plan. And let's start by clicking inside this room to activate the room. And we'll see from the room property menu here, I can select to choose ceiling material, floor materials, wall, inside and outside materials. And now I'm going to go in and change to custom floor materials. So I'm going to click on on floor material. And then we see the material menu here. And in our previous course, as mentioned, we could select the standardized options here. For example, wood textures. Go into colors to choose a standard color. But now I'm going to select custom, which means I'm able to add my own custom texture. And because I've been using Ecdesign, I have a few recent textures that I've been using, but I'm going to show you the entire process here by clicking on the folder. That will open up my computer and I can select the texture I would like to use, click open, and it comes into my floor plan. Select it and press use. So as you see, it now switched to that new wood custom texture. And if we go into 3D, here we have that wood texture. We'll close this. And now I'll show you how you can further customize this texture. So I'm going to activate my room. And you'll see down here that we have floor rotation and floor scale. Meaning if I slide the bar here, I'm able to rotate my custom texture. And in fact, this works with any type of texture, the standardized textures as well. So you can rotate, so you get the panels the way you want it. You can then change the scale, make it smaller or a larger texture. It's pretty cool. You can even pan the floor material. So for instance, if I had a tile texture here and I wanted to place the first tiles properly, I can move and just pan and position that first tile the way I would like it. Okay, we'll activate the room again, and now I'm going to show you how we can change to custom wall materials. And I'll select all the inside materials, click on wall inside material. That will load the wall material menu. And I'm going to not select one of the standard ones or color. I'm going to click on custom. Then I'm going to select one of the ones I've already loaded here. Let's select brick wall texture and use. We can't see the change here because it's a 2D floor plan, so we need to go into 3D. So here we have my new wall texture, custom wall texture. And to further customize and edit this texture, I simply go up and click on the edit wall button here. And when I click on it, it will open up a wall property menu. And when I move my mouse over a wall, it will become green looking like this, a green color to it. So if I click on it, I've activated this wall, and I can use the sliders here in the menu to edit that texture to the proper dimension that I would like it to be. So that looks good. And now if I want, I can duplicate the new texture, the customization of this new texture to all the walls that are of the same type. So I'm going to go down here and click copy to same material, and instantly you see how the two other walls are behind next to it also changed. If I click again, I'll show you one more thing, and that is you can mirror textures. If you have a texture, maybe a big poster wall or something of that kind, you can actually click mirror texture and it would flip the texture. Now I'm using a brick texture, so it's kind of difficult to see it, but you do see a slight change there. It mirrors the texture. We're back into 2D. To do the changes for ceiling material, you can of course do that as well. Select ceiling material and then custom. And then now I don't have any proper texture for ceiling, but it would be the same process. You simply select the texture or upload a new texture and add it to the ceiling materials. So that is how you use custom materials in your floor plan.